Welcome to the project demonstration of IoT greenhouse monitoring and controlling system. So here the main application of this project is we are continuously monitor the greenhouse parameters. So those parameters like light intensity with help of this LDR sensor, and based on this light intensity we are going to control this bulb, and when the low light detected the bulb will get switched on, and high brightness detected with the lighting day mode detected the bulb will be off. And the next, based on the moisture content, so we are using this soil moisture sensor. Based on the moisture content near the soil moisture, near the soil, then the system will control this motor to control the water level inside the soil. And the next, humidity and temperature from this DHT11. So when the temperature is high, above 35 degrees centigrade, this motor gets switched on, and moisture level above 60%, motor will be off. Below 60%, motor is on. And the humidity, whenever the humidity crosses the 50%, then automatically here the color will be changes. And this is a IoT page, a dashboard continuously monitoring temperature, humidity, day and night mode, moisture level, and light status, pump status, and fan status. Three parameters: moisture, temperature, and day mode. So the three output modules can be shown directly on this web page. And here these are all our input and output modules are interfaced to this Arduino Uno board, so which will take the input from the LDR moisture LDR sensor and soil moisture sensor with amplifier, and this humidity sensor, and the output is DC motor through this transistor board, and a bulb through this relay, and motor through this relay. And this one is a regulated power supply board which will provide us a 5 volts output by taking 230 volts AC inputs, and to this breadboard. So from this breadboard we are distributing this 5 volts throughout the input and output modules of our project. And this is the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. From there the data will be sent to this web application, and locally we can monitor the same status of the project on the 16:2 LCD screen. So let us check with demonstration. Before demonstration, we need to enable the hotspot in your phone. For that, configure the hotspot name to project 7754 without any space, without any capital letter. Password should be 123456789, and WPA personal and 2.4 gigahertz. After these settings successfully done on the hotspots, and install network analyzer application which is available in the Play Store to get the IP address of the kit. After all these settings successfully done, now on the power supply to the kit, and welcome to the project. We can see on the LCD, as well as we can see one device is connected in your mobile phone. Now options, LAN scan, in this network analyzer application, scan there. There we get the two IP address. One is our mobile phone, another is our ESP8266 kit. Open that. So we are going to get this streaming directly. Okay, so whenever the dark detected, as light got switched on, and whenever the lighting detected, the bulb will be off state automatically. And we can see the status here also, day and night mode on your mobile phone application, along with the light status. And then moisture level. So whenever the moisture level decreases, see I am removing from that, okay, say 0%, and the relay gets switched on, as the motor also gets switched on. We can see that it's running now. And again when I dipping back, then the moisture level raised above 60%, motor is off. Below 60%, motor is on. Right. And the next, coming to the temperature, and before that, humidity. So just I'll show you the humidity part. So for that we need to blow the air near to this sensor. You can see that humidity is rising. Okay, and the next, temperature. Right, so we are using the like a heat gun. We are raising the temperature. Whenever the temperature crosses the threshold value of 35 degrees centigrade, then we can see the motor will get switched on. So called status of the temperature, humidity, and soil moisture sensor we can see on this 16:2 LCD screen. You can see the humidity is coming to normal. So as we know that proportionally, when the temperature increases, automatically the humidity will be decreased and same temperature also will be increased. So when it crosses the 35 degrees centigrade, then the motor fan will get switched on, right? You can see that. And also visual indication on your application part also, right? And when the temperature is coming to normal below 35 degrees centigrade, then automatically the fan will get switched off as a normal condition. Right, slowly the temperature is decreasing. So normal visual indication on your web application as well as the motor is on, off. So when we place the lighting over there, we can see the day mode, and when we remove that, normal dark detected, night mode, and light gets switched on, we can see the statuses on the web application. Thank you.